have some fun. So we have a babysitter this morning, and normally when we get a babysitter, we work our butts off, but we want to have some fun. It's been a while since we went on a date and just kind of laughed and enjoyed each other, so I think it's important.
Yeah, we're waiting to close on our new house, and we don't have a ton going on right now, so
Yeah.
Also, yeah, we need to have the day, so
Yes.
let's go.
I feel like our communication has been not great. How do you feel?
We're both just a little grumpy.
We're a little grumpy. So we're gonna have some fun today. We're gonna ask each other questions. We wrote down questions last night, and I don't know what his are, and he doesn't know what mine are. So we'll see how that goes. We're gonna expose our relationship. So we're gonna go out and do a few fun things around our town and drink some coffee and just enjoy life. So let's go.
That's how cold it is outside right now.
Brr. Let's go. Cool shirt.
Thank you. Over here in the sun. No further. Beautiful.
Do it again, do it again. Okay. So artistic.
Thank you. All aboard?
All right, I got some questions for you. You ready? What's my worst habit?
Cracking your toes. Definitely.
Okay.
Definitely. Drives me crazy. She can crack her toes infinity amount of times. She just goes.
It's a pretty special gift.
Nasty.
Do you prefer me with or without makeup?
Both?
It's not a trick question.
Seems like a trick question.
What was going through your head on our first date?
Why did she say yes to coming on this date with me? She's too good for me.
Let's keep going. If you got a tattoo, what would it be of?
Bob Ross.
Of Bob Ross or of one of his paintings?
No, of Bob Ross.
Okay.
Tell me about that plant again.
This is called a prayer plant because it raises a hallelujah during the day. And then at night it goes back down.
Wow, how do you know that?
My sister got me one.
Oh.
They're awesome.
Okay.
Look at this beauty though.
Wow.
Wow. I love plants.
Actually, stop right there. When did you come to love plants?
When Jamie and I were first dating for my birthday.
Because of me.
Because of you. For my birthday, he bought me an orchid, and I thought it was the most magical plant ever. And then, did you give me something else? An African violet.
I was a science major in botany.
True. And
I got her into them.
And now I love plants so much.
All right, I got a question for you.
Okay.
Do you like me clean shaven or scruffy?
If I'm gonna kiss you, clean. If I'm not kissing you, scruffy.
Ah, okay. All right, is pineapple appropriate on pizza?
Yes, definitely with sweet chili sauce.
That's our custom recipe. It's our favorite.
Look at that one.
Are you on time, late, or early to social engagements?
Depends how well I know the people, but probably usually late.
Yes. Yes. You like
Unless it's for work, then I'm early.
you like sitcoms or dramas?
Comedy dramas.
Look. It's chocolate.
Whoa.
It's cacao.
Are you serious? That was fun.
It's nice to feel warm.
Yes. Plants. Plants for life.
Nothing dead and frozen. All right, before we get further into the video, we want to talk about today's video sponsor, BetterHelp.
So I actually really struggle with anxiety, and this is something I've had for the past 10 years or so. But recently we have had a loss in my family and my anxiety has gotten out of control. So I called around to try to find someone to talk to, a therapist, and the person that I chose, it was going to take 2 months to get into, which I kind of needed to talk to someone right away. So I signed up for BetterHelp, and they matched me according to my needs and what I wanted with a licensed professional therapist within 48 hours. So for me, that was huge because I needed to talk to someone right away. This isn't something I wanted to wait on.
Not to mention, you can do it from the comfort of your own home, so there's not, all the traveling and other concerns that people have nowadays.
Yeah, waiting in waiting rooms, that kind of thing. They also will let me, write notes to my therapist, and they will come back to me with a timely matter of their own notes back to me. So it's a very personal relationship, even though it's all online.
So we think BetterHelp is a really cool program, and we think that everyone can benefit from therapy. So we're going to leave a link below, but it's just betterhelp.com/Jamie and Sarah. It's betterhelp.com/Jamie and Sarah, and you can get 10% off.
So check that link out, but let's get back into the video. See Stone! That's where it all began.
So we went to college.
That's where we met. Kind of.
Good old days. 10 years ago this year, we got married. No, 12 years ago we met. That's crazy.
I think we always think we're 25 in our hearts. Here we go. Do you love our city?
I do. It's a great city.
The greatest city in the world.
Yes. But don't come here. Don't move here.
Why?
Because I don't want it to get too big.
Let me see your breath. It's where we went on our first date.
Yes, it is.
Right there. Look at that cutie. What did we do on our first date?
We got coffee. And we did sky lanterns before they were cool.
So romantic.
Yes. All right, what do I do that drives you nuts?
Oh, when you sneeze and you yell as you're sneezing. Takes a week off my life every time you do it. You go, achoo!
Skywalk. All right, so we're going to the Skywalk, which is a free, warm thing to do in the winter. It's like a tunnel that goes through the whole city. It's like a 1.5 mile tunnel. It's warm, so we're gonna walk it.
Whoa, those are sweet. Do you think I'm a good mom?
Of course, you're the best mom.
Aw,
Yes.
I knew you'd say that. If someone gave you 10 minutes to spend $50,000, what would you buy?
UTV, probably, or Tesla. It's a hard price range.
Yeah, not
I
enough.
I could spend more than that.
Okay. Describe me in 3 words.
Funny, cute, wise.
Aw. Let's keep going.
Okay. All right, are you more into planning it or winging it?
Winging it for sure.
Of course, no planning around here.
No planning.
Look at us.
I don't plan nothing.
Pretend like you're sipping some champagne. Some tea, champagne. What piece of advice would you tell your younger self?
Don't take life too seriously.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Triple peanut butter cup, Hudsonville. It's the only ice cream I eat, and I eat it almost every night.
It's true. She will not let me buy any other ice cream.
Well, no, you can buy your own, but you
Oh yeah,
can't eat.
I buy the discount ice cream. She buys the fancy ice cream.
It's so good. You gotta try it.
Would you rather be a successful artist or a successful business owner?
Business owner. Because you can be an artist and a business owner, but you can't really be a successful artist without being a successful business owner.
That's true. True.
Eh? What's your favorite memory with me?
Well, aside from the birthing our children part, Venice, just when we walked off the train, is pretty magical. So,
I agree. I could relive that moment for sure.
Yep.
When do you feel most loved?
Ooh, I feel most loved when I feel encouraged by you or other people.
What stresses you out the most?
Wait, when do you feel most loved?
I like words of affirmation / encouragement. Yeah, I think we're similar in that way.
Quality time.
Yeah. But I don't know, all of them.
All of them.
All the love languages. Give me them all.
Okay. All right.
What stresses you out the most?
Everything. I'm pretty stressed. I'm a pretty anxious guy.
It's true.
A lot of stuff stresses me out. So,
Okay.
what about you?
I'm not stressed. I'm chill.
No, she's not.
If we were a country song, what would we be? Jamie loves country, but when we first started dating, he hated country.
Yeah.
But I loved country, and now he loves it more than I do.
So I got Sarah to love plants, and she got me to love country.
It's
So,
true.
Um,
He loves the really redneck stuff.
I do.
Now you want to buy an ATV, so
Yeah. I
we're
do.
really
Yeah,
leaning into the lifestyle.
That's true.
So in a couple weeks, we're closing on our new house. So we got to get to packing, get to decluttering, and
It's gonna be
moving.
busy. It's gonna be busy around here.
yeah.
Sarah actually bought some stuff to flip too.
Oh, yeah.
As if moving wasn't a big enough project. So, might have a flipping video coming up. Too.
Yes.
So,
Thanks, guys.
see
Have
ya.
a good day. Bye.